Hello everyone, welcome to the Anime Club. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Demon Slayer's Entertainment Arcs Episode 7. Before jumping into the Episode 7 directly, let's see some of the important scenes of Episode 6. In this episode, we have seen Tanjiro's flash-like ability, his super speed ability. In this episode, we have seen Muzan Cell's fearful memory of the past. And in this episode, we have a eye-soothing demon form of Nezuko. We have seen it the very first time in the entire anime. In the very first scene of episode 7, we can see the continuation of episode 6. In the first scene, we see Nezuko is fighting with the demon Daki. Demon Daki, who is also upper 6 demon. In this fight, Nezuko totally outsmarted Daki with the super fast healing ability and blood demoner technique. This technique is specialized in a way where it burns the demons and delays their healing abilities. In between the fight with Demon Daki, Nezuko becomes bloodthirsty and tried to kill nearby human beings. But at that moment, Tanjiro appears and saves Nezuko from killing the humans. But while Tanjiro was saving Nezuko, Demon Daki attacked, and at that moment Tanjiro and Nezuko both were totally defenseless. And very coincidentally, the Hashira appeared. Hashira cut the neck of the Demon Daki and separated her head from the body. Here comes the twist in the plot. We all know a demon can be killed by separating his or her body from the head. Though the Sound Hashira separated her head from the body, but the Demon Daki was not killed. She was totally alive by holding her head in her own hand. And here comes the second twist. From the separated body, another demon appears, whose name was Gyutaro. Gyutaro is actually Daki's brother, whose relation, like Daki and Gyutaro, is like the protagonist version of Tanjiro and Nezuko. So here we can see two brothers and two sisters are fighting each other for their own relations. Demon Gyutaro is also an upper 6 demon. Gyutaro is so flexible and fast. He wounded the Sound Hashira with his first blow. And in the ending scene of the episode, we can see Deki and Gyutaro's combined fighting with the Hashira. So here comes the two most iconic scenes of this episode. The first one is Nezuko's full use of the demon art she knows, her blood demoner technique and super fast healing abilities. The second iconic part was seeing Gyutaro fighting for the very first time. He uses some blood demoner technique which is like some boomerang, and it was so fast and flexible, like Gyutaro's own blood. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay tuned and follow the Anime Club. Thank you.